Hello, this is Emmanuel from Petathius. Today I will start recording about MongoDB from the very beginning. It's the very first tutorial of MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. What do we mean by NoSQL database? Is to mean it's not tabular format, like it will not have columns, rows, like the structured SQL database. Why do you prefer to use MongoDB instead of? There are many database languages like SQL databases and Oracle and some others. Because we use MongoDB, number one is speed, second one is performance, third one is flexible, and the fourth one is its scalability. You can use for large database, like for example if you are using a game app, so you want to record the rating of the games for your app. This one is very easy and flexible to use, and also for like social media apps. So we'll start from downloading and installing the MongoDB. So we will open our browser and write MongoDB. Go to service. I'm using Windows, but if you are Linux and Mac OS users, you can choose from this one. So hit the green button, the download MSI, and it will automatically start. So you can start here, but I have already downloaded the MongoDB. Here it is. Like it's installed, and here is start. So hit next, accept, and I will choose complete. Around here is checked that the Mongo Campus is checked. We don't want this one, and I will do other tutorials on Mongo Campus. It's a GUI format for the MongoDB, so it will be easier if you don't want to use a command-based create database and do collections. So uncheck this one and hit next and install. It's NoSQL database and is also document-oriented database. What do you mean about document-oriented database? It's a program application like that you see it, and it's for use for sorting, retrieving, and managing document-oriented informations. So it's already done. So let's go to program files. MongoDB, here it is. So click server 3.6 is our current version when I am recording the MongoDB tutorial. So go to pins. So we get many executable files like MongoD and other dump applications. So in order to execute this file, we will go to command prompt, type cmd. Most of the time I use to run my command prompt with admin, so I will go to the directory of this one MongoDB file. So I will hit cd dot to go 2 points back. So cd again dot. Now I come to the C file. So in order to come to our program file MongoDB server 3.6 and bin file, we will make it on the quotation and we'll write the file. So it's P capital program space file and his slash, the backslash MongoDB, then slash capitalize server slash 3.6 and slash b, and I hit enter. So we are now in the program file MongoDB server 3.6 and bin file. To check that we are in the bin file, hit dir file to leave the directory. So we can see that the MongoDB files, executable files like mongo.exe, mongod.exe, and so we will type mongod to execute the Mongo database. So it says we should have to create the path for the C data, and DB is the place where our database will be stored. So in order to create the file inside the C drive, now you can see that there is no file called data. So we will create the file name for data with the command prompt. So now we will hit mkdir, is to mean like make directory. So slash data slash db. So when you type this one, it will create the file called database in this subfolder with db. So as you can see, when I hit this, it created the file name called data and also the db. So hit back again the MongoDB, the MongoD, not the MongoDB. Now it's working. So the server of the MongoDB have started. So right here we cannot do anything. So to do other tasks with command prompt, to create database, to see the view of the database, we will start the command prompt for the others to check. So run this one. In order to go and execute the MongoDB file, we will go to backend to the bin file in order to initiate to start the MongoDB file. So we can do it with simple ways, so that I will show you how to do that. So hit the program file MongoDB server 3.6 bin. So simply click on this one and copy this one, and we will create the environment setup for the MongoDB file. Start my computer, right click program file, and in the advanced tab click the environment variable, and I will create here it's already created. Let me delete this one, and let me create the new one. So I will type the variable name to capital letters path, and the variable value I'll put what I copied that. So it created the path for the MongoDB. So we can type easily without redirecting to MongoDB server from our command prompt. So it's very set up, so you can easily type the MongoDB file and it will show you. You can find the bin files. So hit Mongo and here start. It's connected to the database. So I have installed the Mongo Compass in my desktop. I'll show you on the other videos how to use MongoDB Compass. So let me check. It has a GUI format, not in command prompt. So it'll show you the database that's on it on the MongoDB. It's loading. Hit connect. So we have the admin in local by default on the MongoDB. Already it's working. I will keep posting programming language and designs every day. So I will continue also the MongoDB series, and please subscribe and follow. I will release videos every day. So thanks for watching.